Hey, Dan Passarelli here, and happy Friday. Happy weekend. You get a couple days to rest and relax and plan for the week ahead. Excellent. All right. So the S&P 500 closed near all-time highs today. If we take a look at the chart, we were definitely up near the most recently established resistance, sort of like we had back here. And if we pop up above it, we could definitely see some follow through off into new all-time highs. And if it ends up being one of these rounded tops, then, well, it'll pull back. Now, one of the main reasons why we were up so much today is because this morning we had the non-farm payrolls. And guess what? There were a whole lot more jobs that were created. Now, this allayed some fears that maybe it wouldn't be such a soft landing and the job market's doing fine. But one of the things that kind of concerned me is, well, kind of that news and some of the things that came along with it. So we didn't just sort of beat what analysts expected for non-farm payrolls. We just creamed it. Economists were expecting 147,000 jobs where there were 254,000 in actuality. Now, the other side of that is average hourly earnings month after month were 0.4% versus an expected 0.3%. That means that wages were up a little bit more than they were thought to be. So this has really been a whole week of employment data. Next week is going to be, well, the beginning of the week is going to be just a bunch of Fed speakers, really. But then towards the end of next week, we're going to have our CPI and PPI, our inflation data. So if we see some of this, robust labor market making its way into higher inflation or less low inflation, then we'll definitely see that rounded top transpire. So those are some things to think about. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli. Have yourself a great weekend. Bye.